Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about something that almost every person thinks about at some point in life. Everyone wants to win in life. People want success, respect, happiness, and a future they can feel proud of. Many people dream about building a better life, achieving their goals, and becoming stronger and more confident individuals. However, life is not always simple or easy. Along the journey, people face difficulties, setbacks, and moments of doubt. Sometimes hard work does not immediately bring results. Sometimes people experience failure, criticism, or disappointment. During these moments, many people start to question themselves and their abilities. They begin to wonder whether success is only meant for a small number of lucky individuals. But the truth is very different. Winning in life is not about luck or talent alone. It is not about being born with special advantages. Very often, the real difference between people who succeed and people who struggle lies in their mindset and their habits. The way a person thinks, reacts, and makes decisions every day has a powerful impact on their future. Small daily choices slowly shape the direction of a person's life. People who achieve meaningful success usually follow certain principles that guide their behavior. These principles help them stay focused during difficult times and help them continue moving forward even when progress feels slow. In this video, we will explore 5 powerful rules that can help you develop a strong mindset and move closer to winning in life. These rules are simple to understand, but when practiced consistently, they can transform the way you think, act, and approach your goals. The first rule to win in life is learning how to take responsibility for your own life. Many people spend a large part of their time blaming circumstances, other people, or bad luck for the problems they face. When something goes wrong, they immediately look for someone else to blame. They believe that their situation is completely controlled by external factors, and as a result, they feel powerless to change anything. However, people who win in life think very differently. They understand that while they cannot control everything that happens to them, they can always control how they respond. Instead of focusing on what went wrong, they focus on what they can learn from the situation. They take responsibility for their decisions, their actions, and their progress. Taking responsibility does not mean blaming yourself for every problem in life. It simply means recognizing that your future is largely shaped by your own choices. When people accept responsibility, they stop waiting for perfect conditions and begin taking action. They ask themselves important questions such as, what can I do to improve this situation? What lesson can I learn from this experience? What action can I take today that will move me forward? This mindset creates a powerful shift. Instead of feeling like a victim of circumstances, a person becomes the driver of their own life. They start making better decisions, developing stronger habits, and focusing their energy on solutions instead of complaints. Over time, this attitude builds confidence and independence. Another reason responsibility is so important is that it encourages personal growth. When someone refuses to blame others and instead focuses on improving themselves, they develop new skills, new knowledge, and stronger discipline. Each challenge becomes an opportunity to grow. Instead of feeling defeated by obstacles, They treat difficulties as valuable lessons that prepare them for future success. The truth is simple. The moment a person stops blaming the world and starts taking responsibility for their life is often the moment real progress begins. This rule may sound simple, but it is one of the most powerful steps toward building a strong mindset and winning in life. The second rule to win in life is learning how to use your time wisely. Time is one of the most valuable resources that every person possesses. Unlike money or possessions, time cannot be saved for later or recovered once it has passed. Every day contains the same 24 hours for every individual, yet the way people use those hours creates enormous differences in their lives. Many people lose large amounts of time without even realizing it. They spend hours scrolling through social media, watching random content, or worrying about things that they cannot control. At the end of the day, they may feel tired, but they often struggle to remember anything meaningful that they accomplished. People who win in life treat time very differently. They understand that every day is an opportunity to make progress, even if that progress is small. Instead of allowing distractions to control their schedule, they make conscious decisions about how they spend their time. They focus on activities that improve their knowledge, skills, health, and long-term goals. Using time wisely does not mean working endlessly without rest. Rest and relaxation are important for maintaining balance and mental clarity. However, successful individuals try to ensure that their time is used intentionally rather than wasted without thought. They often plan their day, identify their most important tasks, and focus on completing those tasks before becoming distracted by less meaningful activities. Another powerful habit is focusing on consistent improvement. Instead of expecting dramatic results overnight, people who succeed understand that small daily efforts accumulate over time. Reading a few pages each day, practicing a skill regularly, or dedicating time to learning something new may seem small at first. But over months and years, these small actions create powerful results. Time management also helps reduce stress and confusion. When people know what they want to accomplish and organize their day around those priorities, their mind becomes clearer and more focused. They spend less time worrying about what to do next and more time actually making progress. The truth is that time moves forward whether we use it wisely or waste it. The question each person must ask themselves is simple. Are my daily actions bringing me closer to the life I want to build? When someone learns to respect their time and use it with purpose, they take another powerful step toward winning in life. The third rule to win in life is developing strong discipline. Motivation is often powerful at the beginning of a journey. When people set new goals, they usually feel excited and enthusiastic. They imagine the success they want to achieve and the changes they want to make in their lives. However, motivation alone rarely lasts forever. There will always be days when motivation feels low. There will be moments when progress seems slow and the effort required feels difficult. During these times, many people abandon their goals because they rely only on temporary motivation. When the excitement disappears, so does their effort. People who win in life understand that discipline is far more reliable than motivation. Discipline means continuing to take action even when you do not feel like doing it. It means following through with commitments, maintaining healthy habits, and staying focused on long-term goals even when the process becomes challenging. Discipline creates consistency, and consistency creates results. When someone practices a skill regularly, studies consistently, or works toward their goals every day, they slowly build momentum. Even small efforts repeated over long periods of time can produce remarkable outcomes. Another important aspect of discipline is self-control. Life is filled with distractions and temptations that can easily pull attention away from important priorities. Discipline allows a person to resist these distractions and stay focused on what truly matters. Instead of constantly choosing short-term pleasure, disciplined individuals choose actions that support their long-term success. Over time, discipline becomes easier because it turns into habit. Actions that once required great effort gradually become part of a person's daily routine. What once felt difficult begins to feel natural. This is why disciplined individuals often appear calm and consistent. Their habits support their goals automatically. The truth is that talent and intelligence can be helpful, but discipline often plays a far greater role in determining success. When someone commits to consistent effort and refuses to abandon their habits, they build the foundation for long-term achievement. This powerful quality becomes another essential rule for winning in life. The fourth rule to win in life is surrounding yourself with the right people. Human beings are deeply influenced by the environment around them. The attitudes, beliefs, and behaviors of the people we spend time with often shape our own mindset more than we realize. If a person constantly spends time with individuals who complain, criticize others, and avoid responsibility, it becomes easy to adopt the same habits. Negativity spreads quietly, and over time it can weaken motivation and confidence. When the people around you doubt your goals or discourage your progress, it becomes much harder to stay focused. People who win in life are careful about the environment they create for themselves. They try to build relationships with individuals who encourage growth, learning, and positive thinking. These people may include supportive friends, mentors, teachers, or colleagues who share similar values and ambitions. Positive relationships create encouragement during difficult moments. When challenges appear, supportive people remind us of our strengths and help us maintain perspective. They celebrate our progress and motivate us to continue improving. Surrounding yourself with the right people also exposes you to new ideas and opportunities. Conversations with thoughtful and motivated individuals often inspire new ways of thinking. They can introduce valuable knowledge, experiences, and advice that accelerate personal growth. This rule does not mean avoiding everyone who faces difficulties or struggles. Every person experiences challenges in life. Instead, it means choosing relationships that encourage progress rather than constant negativity. It means spending time with people who respect your goals and support your efforts to improve yourself. Over time, the environment you build will influence the direction of your life. When you surround yourself with people who value growth, responsibility, and discipline, those qualities naturally become stronger in your own character. This positive influence becomes another powerful step toward winning in life. The fifth and final rule to win in life is never giving up on your long-term goals. Every meaningful achievement requires patience and persistence. Success rarely happens quickly, and the path toward improvement often includes many setbacks and moments of doubt. At times, people may feel discouraged because progress appears slow. They may work hard for months or even years before seeing the results they hoped for. During these moments, many individuals choose to quit because they believe their efforts are not working. However, the people who truly win in life understand that persistence is one of the most powerful qualities a person can develop. They recognize that every challenge contains valuable lessons and that progress often happens gradually rather than instantly. Instead of giving up when difficulties appear, persistent individuals adjust their strategies and continue learning. If one method does not produce results, they try another approach. They remain flexible, curious, and committed to improvement. Persistence also builds mental strength. Each time a person continues moving forward despite obstacles, their confidence grows. They begin to trust their ability to overcome challenges and adapt to new situations. This resilience becomes one of the greatest advantages a person can possess. Another important aspect of persistence is patience. Meaningful goals often require time to develop. Skills take practice, knowledge requires study, and personal growth happens gradually through repeated effort. When someone accepts this reality and commits to long-term progress, they avoid the frustration that causes many people to quit too early. The truth is that many people come very close to success but stop trying just before their breakthrough arrives. Those who remain patient and persistent often discover that their continued effort eventually produces results that once seemed impossible. Winning in life is not about being perfect or avoiding failure. It is about continuing to learn, grow, and move forward even when the journey becomes difficult. When you combine responsibility, wise use of time, strong discipline, positive relationships, and persistent effort, you build a mindset capable of achieving remarkable things. Remember that success is not created in a single moment. It is built through daily decisions, consistent habits, and the determination to keep improving. When you follow these 5 rules and apply them in your life, you begin creating a stronger mindset and a brighter future. If you enjoyed this video and found these lessons valuable, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more powerful lessons about personal growth, mindset, and success. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.